So, nagmamadali kami. Iwan na kami ng bus namin. Takbo!
Ano yung kanin? Bumabalik.
Iwan kami ng bus namin. Running in Japan. Pata. Dito ka para kasama ka. Oops. Grand entrance na naman tayo. 3 minutes. Welcome to INE.
Another rainy afternoon. I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch. 'Cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stay here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stay here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hours getting late. I shouldn't sit here and contemplate. I just can't stop thinking about it. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. We should stay here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stay here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
Pinatawag ko kayong lahat, mga sigal! Lumapit kayo! Lahat ng mga sigal, pinapatawag ko kayo dito sa INE. Magtipon-tipon kayo.
Tampo ni Sir Roland.
Mga sigal, pinagtipon-tipon ko kayo dito upang makilala nyo ang bagong hari ng init. Kumalma kayo, marami tayong pagkain. Sige.
I'm an expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone is the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay here. Can we just stay here? Maybe just one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, lonely nights. You were always there at the same damn bar. Just never lose your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've
Mga sigal! Eto na ang pagkain nyo! Alam kong gutom na kayo! Eto ba? Wala na, ubos na!
When I'm nervous, I talk too much and overshare things. Yeah, I can be a fucking mess, but you somehow like me for me. And all your friends are wasted, you wanna stay here. Oh, we should just stay here. Maybe just for one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, lonely nights. You were always there at the same damn bar. Just never lose your way. And see
Pagkain kayo!
every ocean, but I've never seen a
Eto ba? Magkagawa kayo! Pagalingan kayo! Kumain! Ayun! Ay, Ma'am Kate!
Where have you been? All my life, lonely nights. You were always there at the same damn bar. Just never lose your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color look into your eyes.
Sige! Magsikain kayo! Sumalo lang kayo!
After our long day trip in Kyoto, we're back here in Osaka and we're looking around para makahanap ng makakainan for our dinner.
Wagyu?
Issue a receipt na ba to, sir? Tax. Pwede ba tayo mag-check out na to? Click button to pay. cash payment.
Sa mami, ano lang?
Oo, sige lang.
Ay, ano, gusto ko.
Oo. Saan mo talaga yung cash dito? Diyos me, yung Marimar.
Loading.
Okay. Ito na lang. Ito yung receipt.
So, this is our food, the stamina meat. Kaway-kaway. Bigin.
Sarap nito, no?
Ano yung ano sa ano? Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Ganda. Kain na tayo. Japan style. Sarap. So, in-order namin is stamina meat. Stamina.
Sarap ng rice. Kaya pala stamina. Pag gusto ko magpapagin ng rice ko.
Bili ka ng shirataki dito. Shirataki rice. Struggle is real. Sarap ng kanin.
Sarap po. Sarap ng kanin, no?
Kailan dilaw ah.
So, this is the Wagyu restaurant here in Japan, Osaka. Meron dito Showa Hormone Wagyu Plus. Pag wala kang jowa, Showa Hormone.
You're keeping me on. You can't turn off like a merry-go-round. My head is spinning. I see you up and about. I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor. Late nights getting dipping like we're on our own ride. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young.
So, ang souvenir, 598 yen. So, para mga nasa 200 plus or 300. So, iba-iba na yan. So, may iba't ibang chocolate dito. Merong chocolate flavor. Merong vanilla. And 97 yen. Tax included 105. So, pag kinonvert mo na sa mga 40 plus or 50 pesos, pwede na. Ang pasalubong. May matcha, may KitKat. Merong iba't ibang flavor. 348 sa mga nasa 150 plus pesos. Meron din itong iba't ibang flavor. Peach 498, mga nasa 300 pesos. Meron din ito. Hindi ko alam ang flavor pero mukhang masarap. So 298. Mga chocolate dito. So 348. Para mga 137 ang isa nito. Pwede na. So marami ditong chocolate. May Meiji. Iba-ibang flavor. Macadamia. Nuts. So, ito, bibili tayo ng... Sige lang, pili na. Bili tayo ng Family Mart. Dito sa Family Mart. Kukuha tayo ng Pilcool. So, magkano yung Pilcool? 139.
Ilang ml?
That is 445 ml. Masarap to. Kung pupunta kayo dito sa Japan, ito is a must try. Bili kayo dito. So, this is Pilcool. Rods recommend. Yung mga food din dito, oh, na pwede mong initin kung naka-hotel kayo, ha?
Noodles kayo?
Pwede. So, yun. Meron dito ang noodles. So, bibili tayo ng egg sandwich. Masarap to. Again, recommended. Noodles. Pang breakfast tomorrow. May seafood din. Pang breakfast. So, hot chocolate. Meron din mga coffee, latte. Yan. Hot chocolate tayo para makatulog. Hi guys, ang mga walang kapaguran. Time check, 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Time check. Ito pa rin kami, nasa galaan. Ito yung friend kong taga-Europe.
Ayaw mo yung to.
Hi guys, I am here now at Lawson. And the time now is 1 a.m. 1 in the morning. So, magpo-food trip kami dito. Let's check kung anong pwedeng kainin sa Lawson. Wow! May mga milk tea. Starbucks. So, ito yung binibili ko. Oh. Pilcool. Sarap. Ano pang meron? So, ito masarap din to. Soft egg. Soft boiled egg with salty tasting. Parang itlog na maalat. Sarap.
Lawson specify.
So, ito tayo sa Lawson. Meron tayong Hokkaido milk cream cake roll. So, titikman natin kung masarap. Magkano to? So, this is 318 yen. So, merong karage, fried chicken, karage fried chicken, merong premium fried chicken, merong karage pan fried chicken. So, hanap tayo ng makakain at snacks. Merong ozak potato, merong corn and barbecue flavor, may kalbi, iba't ibang flavor din. So, magta-try tayo ng kalbi cheese. Tikman natin to. At saka ito, titikman natin. So, let's try the milk tea. Try natin tong milk tea. Try natin tong milk tea. Ano to? Milk tea Kirin. So, let's try. So, ito nakikita ko din to sa mga vlog. Itong boiled egg with salty tasting. So, para siyang itlog na maalat. So, check natin kung masarap. Kuha tayo. So, ito yung nabili natin. What is this? Tofu?
Tofu. Radish.
Tofu.
Noodles.
Ito na po ang mga order.
Time check.
Time check, 2 a.m. in the morning here in Namba, Osaka, Japan. Arigato. And the time and the weather is
3 degrees.
3 degrees. Lamig. So cold here in Japan. Ito Ito ang ating napamili sa Lawson. Meron tayong Calbee. Meron tayong...
Ito.
tayo, milk. Meron tayo nito. Meron tayong egg.
Ito na ba kung natin maliit? Ito na lang kamputan.
Meron tayo nito. Meron tayo nito.
Document pa eh.
At siyempre. And meron tayo nito. And feel cool. So let's eat.
Takaw mata.
Let's eat.
Lord, salamat.
Ito, Lord.
No.
Yung ano? Sarap lahat.
Diba?
Parang
Arabic. Parang may...
parang taco.
Eh, oo.
So
Yan.
yan.
Spicy taco.
Dinkin.
Lasang bahay. Ang sarap.
Ito.
Childhood.
Tama, tama.
Ano, may ano nga, no?
Chili tacos flavor. Tortilla chips.
Masarap pa sa bakla.
Ay, oo. Sarap ng mga dentist sa Japan.
Kasi ito ka.
So, ano yung instant na pancake na?
Calbee. Mga bibigyan
Ano ba
na
ito naman?
Japan. Up. So, hinahanap namin ng Southgate. Nalilito na kami. Ang metro station, metro rail dito sa Japan. Ay, nakakalito.
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.